What's up everybody, I'm Dankyo. I hope you're doing well with your friends and family. And today we're gonna make Beef Udon, aka Niku Udon.
How you gotta prepare it is meat here.
I know that there are professional ways to make beef udon, but I'm gonna go for cheap and easy way to get that beef udon. So come along with me.
So like you don't ever throw it away. Just keep it here. And there we go. So this is how the noodle looks like. It's pretty hot. And look at the beef right there.
The beef isn't too chewy, and you get to enjoy that texture on your tongue. This golden soup, it's super simple yet silky and smooth. Golden soup and the fruity meat, it's the greatest you can get with your leftovers. It's awesome.
If you have extra meat, like if you have some left, you could put it into that soup later on. You just eat it like beef soup. It's great, and it's called Niku in Japanese. Hey guys, so that is pretty much it for today. If you don't like this video, check out some other videos I did. If you like them, please subscribe. If you don't, just go for another video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.